I think the goal in sending a team year after year is because we believe there is an effectiveness in consistency with respect to ministry. The overarching goal is the proclamation of the gospel and glorifying God.
Tonight we run into the sun.
Apart from the gospel, I think the biggest need is probably in the families. There seems to be a hands-off approach to raising children. The children seem pretty wild, and so I think that a stronger family is their biggest need. We also partner with All Nations Church. The church hosts us, gives us a place to sleep, a place to prepare meals, and we can point the people of Macy to All Nations Church and say, here's a place where the gospel is being preached. This is a Christian church, and encourage them to worship here after we present the gospel during our vacation Bible school lessons and our one-on-one interactions with the children.
The places we are strong.
Jesus says in Matthew 5 that we are the light of the world. He says that we are to let our lights shine before others so that they may see our good works and give glory to the Father who is in heaven. And that's the whole reason that I come to Macy every year. I come out of an understanding knowing that Christ has saved me. He's given his life for me, and I want to share that with other people. This happens in a few different ways when we come to the reservation. One of them is one-on-one relationships with the children that we develop during the week. The kids here are starved for attention. They love it when we pay attention to them and love on them. VBS is one major way we do that. I think being consistent and doing that for 7 years is paying off. These kids know us from year to year. They remember who we are. I believe the consistency in our message that Christ brings them hope of salvation, that Christ gives them worth and dignity and value is something that I absolutely love seeing. We are teaching a generation of children who do not have an understanding of who Christ is. And what a challenge and a blessing it is for us as a team to come together and to see these kids and to teach them that they might teach it to their children and that their children would teach it to their children. If you're thinking about coming on this trip, I encourage you to just come and experience the blessings I've been able to experience over the past 6 years here in Macy.
We do a lot of work with the Native American community here, and there are a lot of projects that we do with the maintenance of things at the church, as well as houses in the community. These are people that have needs. We go, we do things like build decks, we mow, we weed eat, we do things like that.
Places I have never been, the places we
Coming on this trip with my kids has been an amazing experience because while we're here, there's a great sense of just we're on the same purpose together, and we're here to glorify God and to serve others.
We fall to the edges of the earth.
What I think is great is just being in that environment where I can see my kids showing good, solid Christian character. There's some challenges, and so seeing them work in that environment well with others and for others to the glory of God is really rewarding for me as a dad. I think we're all, as human beings, wanting to have that community, that sense of community, and it's just a great feeling to be a part of that. And I just love serving the Lord, serving the Lord's people, and it's just it's a great time. We always have a lot of fun, a lot of laughter.